An organization, in order to ensure the security of its information, conducts a security audit that involves calculating the risk factors. What is a risk? Risk is nothing but the possibility of losing a valuable asset. To identify the loopholes or danger in an information security asset, risk assessment involves classifying the risks into two categories, namely, inherent risks and residual risks. Inherent risk. This is the risk that is faced when no controls or other mitigating factors are in place to guard the information. For example, in an organization, the lack of physical security measures such as CCTV, door access control mechanisms, etc. poses a higher risk of vital information theft. Residual risk. The risk that remains after the implementation of all control measures. For example, an organization can control the physical access to its premises either by having a security guard or by using electronic access control. When the organization seems to have nothing to be guarded physically, there is no need for it to protect its premises with either of the securing methodologies. This is where the organization conducts a cost-benefit analysis of its assets against its safety measures. Irrespective of the results of the cost-benefit analysis, there are certain standards and compliances an organization is supposed to follow. These include ISO, International Organization for Standardization, 27001 and 27002. ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure. COBIT, Control Objectives for Information and Related Technology. PCI SSC, Payment Card Industry Security Standards Council. And PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard. Having seen what information security is and how information security is ensured by following standard practices, it's time to get to know how the attackers are able to get into the system.